Okay, we are really almost done with the homework and test manager. Let's look under this create assignment. We've seen how to create homework, create quizzes, media assignments, offline, import, copy and assign sample assignments. Remember that was at the very first of these videos for this MyMathLab in-depth tutorials. Create a custom question. That's if you want to start programming questions on your own. You can do it. Feel free, but you'll have to download some of their software and stuff. It's all free, but you can manage it. I've made a few in the past. We learned how to change dates and assign status for all this. When you click on this, it does it for all of them, right? It's a batch changing. How to set prerequisites if you like for particular assignments, how to delete assignments, reorder, change categories, change assignment settings, custom questions. Again, if you create some custom questions, this is how to manage them, right? Create a system for them. Then we learned that these buttons mean, like, you can look at the homework, you can look at which is just homework, right? And see, there are those samples homeworks down at the bottom that you can copy. You could look at quizzes and tests. See, there's some assigned. They're the sample ones. Those are from the publisher. I turned them all off so they're not available. But if you want to turn them all back on, you click on Set Availability. I can click on Other. I can see the things that I've added as others, right? And I can look at it by chapter, which is where that chapter association that we did comes in handy. So you click on, chapter 11, for example, say Go. And we can see the others that I've done. I can show all, and it'll show everything from chapter 11. There's the tests, there's the homework, there's the quiz, there's the other homework I assigned, and so on. There's the offline assignment with the little triangle. All right, so we've done all of this. Now all we have to do, let's go to all chapters again. Let's see the big laundry list. Go. So this will be every assignment. By the way, you can see the order over there, right? Hopefully you could. There was an order to those particular assignments. Okay, so now we've got all this stuff. There's only one last thing to do. Oh, and we also saw how to change the order of these, right? One at a time, all that good stuff. So you can see this is the orientation chapter. There's its name. It's under a homework assignment. It's assigned. It's got its start date that's available, its due date, and so on. And over here are actions, and I've played around with these a few times. So you can unassign something. You can edit. If you click edit, that takes you into the same place that it would have been when you were creating the assignment, right? What do you want to call it? Next. And then you can change the questions and stuff. Okay. Now, and again, I reiterate, I said this before, but you can only edit if nobody's taken it. If any student has taken the assignment, all you can do is change the name of it, and that's it. So what I do if a student has taken an assignment, but I go, oh no, they took this assignment, but I needed this question gotten rid of. Well, you can't go in and get rid of it, but you can turn it off, first of all, unassign it, and then you can copy and create another one, call it something else, almost the same thing, and turn that one on, but with the question removed that you didn't want. You can delete this whole assignment. You can make one homework disappear, right? So for example, I want to I want to copy one too. Here, I'm going to show you the copy feature. But I got to call it number 2, right? Next. And I go, oh, whoops, I needed to add number 17, right? There, save and assign that one. So that's my new one. And then the old one I'll have to turn off, right? Because I had, say a student took it. And if I go, oh, the old one, I don't even want to turn the old one off. I'm going to unassign it. There you go. If you unassign it, that's fine. If you delete it, then all the grades for that assignment are lost, right? So if any students took it, they're going to have to retake it with the new one, right? So you can, if you delete, which I'm about to, I'm going to delete it. If I delete it, see, then all associated results will be permanently deleted from your student's score. So it's gone now. Okay, then what else is there? Settings for class. If you click on that, it takes you back to the main page of all the information that was available, right? Did you want it due, and when do you want it due? Do you want to indicate all and lock all correct answers, that kind of thing. All right, we're out of time. I'll see you here for more.